Jeff with Fusion Electric here. Today we're going to be installing some task lighting in this garage workshop. I'm going to use some LED ribbon tape. This particular ribbon tape is a 3000K, which would be the color or temperature of the ribbon tape. It does have an adhesive backing on it, so we could potentially install this directly below the cabinets, but what I'm going to do is install it inside of a light rail. Here, this light rail is going to provide some protection to the ribbon tape, but the light rail also allows us to install this diffuser lens. And this lens here is going to kind of cut back on any glare that we may get from the ribbon tape, and then it's also going to protect this ribbon tape that we're going to install. I've got my low voltage connectors here. These are going to be the connection point between my ribbon tape and the low voltage side of my driver. This is my switch and driver here. So this particular switch acts as the driver, so no need for remote driver installation. This switch steps 120 volt power down to 12 volts DC required to power the ribbon tape. I'm going to be installing my driver switch below the cabinets here, pulling power from this outlet you see right here. I have a wire mold box, which I'm going to use to install the switch. Like so. This box does not come in black, but it does come in a white paintable version, so a little bit of black spray paint solved that problem for us. I also have my black switch plate here that I'm going to use. This driver switch doesn't come with a black plate. It comes with white, ivory, and brown, so the black plate was an additional add-on. So I'm going to go ahead and get started on this